In this video, we'll talk about collaboration tools. Remember in the first video, we talked about Google Drive being both cloud storage and an apps ecosystem. Well, this is where we focus more on apps. I'll be using Google Docs as my example app in this video, but these tools are available in other G Suite apps like Slides and Sheets. First, co-editing. Did you know that up to 50 people can simultaneously edit a document, slide deck, or spreadsheet? Because we're all working together in the cloud, we can see what others are doing in real time. Each person is assigned a color that matches their avatar in the upper right, and you can see their name next to their cursor. Here's a tip. To find someone in Docs, Slides, or Sheets, click on their avatar and you'll immediately jump to where they are in the document. Next, auto-saving. Because we're working in the cloud, all of our files save automatically and sync across devices. This means you never have to worry about your file not saving if you accidentally close your browser window or lose your internet connection. One way that autosaving may be an adjustment to you is if you're used to opening a document, making a few changes, and then using File Save As to save it as a different file name. You should know that there is no Save As in Google. Instead, if you know you want a new version of your file, start by going to File, Make a Copy inside your document, or from Drive, right-clicking and choosing Make a Copy. This way you won't overwrite your changes. Sometimes people worry that with cloud auto-saving and co-editing, you'll lose content, but you should know that everything is saved in G Suite apps. Each file has a version history that records every change that was made to the document and who made those changes. You can open version history by going to File, Version History. Here you can choose a version and see the changes highlighted by a contributor in a color. You can also choose to revert to that version. And don't worry, you'll never lose anything, even when you revert. The old version is still in your version history. From version history, you can also name a version to make it easier to find in the future or make a copy from a version. So version history shows you every change that was made in a document, but you can also see who has opened a file by using Activity Dashboard. Access Activity Dashboard from the Tools menu or by clicking the jagged line near the Share button in the upper right. From here, you can see the last time someone opened the file, or if they never have. You can use the checkbox and email a follow-up directly from the Activity Dashboard. Next, let's talk about commenting and action items. Commenting is a really useful collaboration feature available in Docs, Slides, and Sheets. In Docs, you can leave a comment by finding the speech bubble with the plus sign on the toolbar or in the right margin. You can highlight text or any object or let Google choose the entire paragraph. Anyone with edit or comment permissions can leave a comment or reply to an existing one, and comments and replies are visible to everyone. The owner of the file, or the creator if the file is in a shared drive, will receive an email notification when someone comments on the file, and if someone replies to a comment, the original commenter will receive an email notification of the reply. Comments are a great way to discuss or explain changes, and just like with version history, even after comments are resolved, you can still view them. Open up comment history by clicking the speech bubble next to the Share button. Here you can reopen resolved comments if you need to restart a conversation. Take your comments to the next level by tagging a specific user. Tag someone by typing plus and their email address and whatever comment you'd like them to see. The benefit of tagging someone versus just leaving a comment is that the tag sends them a direct email and the email includes a link to the comment. Review this paragraph with a tagged comment becomes a really quick way to assign tasks and make it easy for people to find what they need. When you tag someone, you can also check the Assign Action Items box to make things a little more official. And finally, in this collaboration section is the ability to switch modes. Underneath the Share button, you'll see the ability to switch between editing, suggesting, and viewing modes. Do note that this corresponds to level of permission. People with comment-only permission will only be able to switch between suggesting and viewers can only view. Switching from edit to suggest mode allows you to propose changes without editing the content directly. Suggestions will be highlighted and a comment will display. Just like the regular comments, everyone can see and reply to the comment, and the document owner or creator will receive an email notification of the suggested changes. Note that everyone, not just the file owner or creator, can approve or reject suggestions. Suggestion history is viewable by clicking the Comment History button. Keep watching for more videos on getting the most out of Google Drive. If you have questions, use the IT service portal at help.ncsu.edu and check out all of our G Suite classes at go.ncsu.edu/learnit.